Hello students, let us continue exercise 5.4 understanding elementary shapes. Question number 1. What is the measure of a right angle? What is the measure of a right angle is 90 degree. And what is the measure of a straight angle? What is the measure of a straight angle? Straight angle is 180 degree. Now we write measure of a right angle is 90 degree. Second part, measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. Now second question, say true or false. The measure of an acute angle less than 90 degree. First we discuss acute angle greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, and obtuse angle greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, and reflex angle greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree, and also 90 degree mean right angle, and straight angle equal to 180 degree. So the measure of an acute angle less than 90 degree, the measure of an acute angle less than 90 degree, given statement is true. Given statement is true because all acute angle less than 90 degree. This is your true statement. True because 0 degree less than acute angle less than 90 degree. Now second part, the measure of an obtuse angle less than 90 degree. Now obtuse angle always greater than 90 degree. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. So given statement is false. Given statement is false. Hence we know that very well, 90 degree less than obtuse angle less than 180 degree. So obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. But this statement says that obtuse angle less than 90 degree. So given statement is false. Now next C part, the measure of reflex angle greater than 180 degree. Reflex angle greater than 180 degree. Reflex angle greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degrees. So given statement is true. Given statement is true. Hence we know that very well, reflex angle greater than 180 degree less than 360 degree. So given statement is true. Reflex angle greater than 180 degree. This is true statement. Now D part, the measure of one complete revolution 360 degree. Complete revolution. Complete revolution mean this is your one complete revolution. This is your one complete revolution and this angle form 360 degree. Complete revolution. So given statement is false. because complete angle 360 degree. Now E part. Measure of angle A 53 degree and measure of angle B 35 degree, and then measure of angle A greater than measure of angle B. Yes, 50 degree greater than 35 degree. Given statement is true. Because 53 degree greater than 35 degree. Now write down the measure of some acute angles and some obtuse angles. We know that very well. All acute angle less than 90 degree. All acute angle less than 90 degree. So we write some acute angles are 10 degree, 35 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 70 degree, 60 degree, etc. And some obtuse angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So we write 91 degree, 100 degree, 120 degree. Also write 150 degree, 170 degree, etc. Now seventh question. Fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right angle and straight angle. An angle whose measure is less than that of a right angle is acute angle. An angle whose measure is greater than that of right angle is obtuse angle. An angle whose measure the sum of measure of two right angle is complementary angle. When the sum of the measure of two angles is that of a right angle, then each one of them is acute angle. When the sum of the measure of two angles is that a straight angle, and if one of them is acute angle, then other angle should be obtuse angle. Now question number 9. Find the angle measure between hand in the clock at 9 am. So angle between hand in the clock is 270 degree, and also this angle is 90 degree. Similarly 1 pm angle, at 1 pm this is your 30 degree angle, and 6 pm this is your 180 degree. Now 10th question. Measure and classify each angle. Angle DOB means 180 degree. Angle DOB 180 degree, and this is your straight angle. Now angle BOC on measuring with the help of protractor. Angle BOC is 90 degree, and this is your right angle. Similarly angle DOC equal to 90 degree on measuring protractor. This is your 90 degree. So angle DOC 90 degree, and this is your right angle. Now do exercise 5.4 in your fair notebook. Thank you.